What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I want to break down a free and easy and very simple method of making or step-by-step guide to earning over $500 per day with Google. Now that probably isn't typical. You can make $500, $100 to $500 doing these tasks, but if you're really good at this, then yes, you could potentially be making $500 per day with Google. And this is something that you can do in any country, wherever you are in the world. You already have everything you need to do. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can pull this off. And basically the basics are just have internet connection. It doesn't have to be high speed, and also be able to speak English. And that's pretty much the requirements here. Now, this isn't a traditional type of job per se. This is something that you'll be doing on your own. But again, I'll show you guys how you can pull this off. Now, before we jump into it, just a quick reminder, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save, ways to invest. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, jobs, ways to make money online, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. Giving the video a thumbs up will never cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below. But with that said, let's jump right into this video of how you can make around $500 per day using Google with a free and easy method. Now, if you've been watching my videos for a while, or you've been searching for how to make money online, something that you may have come across over and over again is probably writing articles. Now, that can make you money, and I have videos covering how you can do that on Upwork or Fiverr or these other websites where you can get paid anywhere from $5 to like $50 to create, a 500 word article. And you can also get employed to do this and get paid hourly. Some people are making over $100 per hour writing articles. That's one way to go about it, but there's another way to do it. So for example, this is a website, it's called Listverse, and they'll pay you $100 just to write articles. Now here it says, here's the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. So this is what you'll be doing. It says it works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, we reply and say, great, we'll publish it, and send you $100 in PayPal. Now, basically this website, they do things like this. They have like top 10, or not top 10, but 10 things. So for example, top 10 ridiculous celebrity items people have paid money for. So let's probably just open this quickly so you guys can get an idea of what they write here. So this was written by this person and it was fact checked by this person. So they are actually going to fact check the work that you send in. So you can't just, put gibberish in and send it to them and get paid. They're actually going to verify whatever you've written. So you want to put some research into this. So top 10 ridiculous celebrity items people have paid money for, written in 2020. It was posted. This person made at least $100 for this post, and this isn't really long in terms of word count. I don't think this looks probably more like 2,000 words, if that much. Definitely not over 5,000 words. So this is something that you could do. Now, another website is, for example, this one right here. Or actually, this is the same thing. This is the other website. So this one right here is long reads. And here they say they want you to do personal essays. They want you to do anywhere from 2,000 to 6,000 words, and they'll pay you $500 per essay. They're looking for smart, original angles and fresh, unique voices. And here's some of the work that they have posted, right? So they're looking for essays, critical essays, columns, things like that. And again, they start, it says rates start at $500, with the fee varying depending on the level of reporting and research required, and also the overall word count. So they're starting out at $500. So if you can put together some really good content here, then you're gonna make 500 plus for doing that. So an example of something they posted was this. So this was posted in 2020. It's just over 4,000 words, and it's approximately a 16-minute read, but this is something that this person got paid $500 or more for creating. Now, you can do this at these two websites, but I went ahead, I did some more research, and I found a blog that actually has all this stuff listed. So I'll leave the link to this. This one has 21 amazing sites that will pay you 100 plus per article. So this is a list of 21 sites that you can use to do this stuff. So I'll leave the link to this so you can try all these websites. And so the point here is that you can use all these websites, and if you're good at this, you could make $100 plus per article, and you can do this every day. You can make money every day. Now, the difficulty here is in actually creating these articles or getting ideas on how to create these articles, because you could think about this, but it may take you weeks to put something together. Now, what you could do is you could find articles on the web that are similar. So one good tool to use is Google News. I mean, you could just simply just Google whatever you're interested or whatever you're thinking about writing about to get information or do research. But if you go to Google News, there are already a bunch of articles in, you know, local business, technology, entertainment, sports science, health that you could use for, let's call it, inspiration to create your own articles. Now, I'm not telling you to go here and copy and paste. You're definitely going to use whatever is posted here as, you know, like inspiration to create your own work. But the good thing about like Google News is that these are new articles that people are already interested in. So these are topics that people are interested in reading right now. So instead of, you know, going out there and trying to figure out what people want to read about on a particular topic like health, you can come here, you can get ideas on what's actually trending right now, and then you can make articles around that, and then you can submit these articles to these websites based on the niche, and then you have a better chance of them accepting it because you're actually doing something that people are interested in reading right now. So for example, we could just click on, you know, the first one here, see what this is talking about. So this is some flesh-eating bacteria that is popping up right now. So for example, you could read this, you could get inspiration for this to create your own article. But what you could also do is you could copy. Now, I'm not telling you guys to copy and paste, but you can do this. So you could copy the work here. If you like it, if you read it and you liked it, you could copy. You could go to this tool. It's Free Article Spinner, freearticlespinner.com. I'll leave the link down below. Basically, you paste this here and you are basically using this tool to rewrite the text. So it's gonna change all the words and, you know, kind of like realign the sentences. So you hit basic paraphrase and it changes stuff up. Now, while this is good and you can use this, you don't want to use this as it is, because for example, this is saying the CDC, and here it's, you know, it spun it, and here instead it's saying places for infectious prevention and counteraction, which you definitely wouldn't want that in there. So this is like, you know, helping you to spin the articles, but then you have to still go through and edit them. It would be light editing, but it's gonna save you a lot of time because now you don't have to actually write 6,000 words from scratch. You can spin articles, or you could pull different paragraphs from different articles. You could organize them, then you could spin the entire thing, and then you could go through and edit in a couple of minutes, and then you'd have your article ready in a day instead of, you know, going out there trying to do it all alone, and then it's gonna take you what, 5, 6, 7 days to just get one about 4,000 to 6,000 articles together. So this is one way to do it. Also, this is a free tool, but if you're not pleased with this, you can upgrade to the advanced tool, which is better in spinning these articles, but that one is not free. You have to pay a subscription, but the free version is good enough. All you have to do is to go through and edit afterwards. So this is a really simple idea. Again, these websites are paying you $500 per essay. The ones that are paying the lowest or the least are still paying you $100 plus for an article. And this is a list of 21 websites that will pay you to do this. So if you're already writing on Fiverr, on Upwork, or you're doing freelance writing somewhere, this is something that you can tap into, because here you can probably make more money and you don't really have deadlines per se. Also, if you've been looking to get into freelance writing and maybe the country that you're in, you weren't able to, sign up on some other platforms like Upwork, that one I've covered before, this is something that you can do because there are really no restrictions here. All you need is the internet and to be able to write these articles. And depending on the website that you choose to submit the articles to, if they're accepted, they would be paying you in either PayPal or bank transfer. Some of them may mail you a check, but there is some method of getting paid. So this is a really easy way to make money online. You can get paid for writing articles. You can spin the articles. If you don't know what to write about, you can use Google News to find topics to write on. So this is really just a free and easy way to making $500 a day with Google. Now, again, typically you probably won't make $500 per day. It's more like 100 plus. And that's also if your articles are accepted by these websites. Now, they will tell you, based on the website that you go to, they will tell you what you need to do to be able to have your articles or your essays accepted by them. So all you got to do is follow the guidelines as to how they want you to write, and that will give you a higher chance of getting your article or your essay accepted, and then you can make some money here. Now, I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you've done anything like this before, if you've used maybe a different website to do it, or just let me know if you've ever done anything like this before, how much you were actually able to make. Were you able to make $100, $500, how frequently you got paid? And if there are any other websites that do this that are really good that you currently use, comment them down below so that anyone else that watches this video will be able to see that and be able to use those resources. But as always, thanks for watching. All the best in finding that remote work from home job that you're looking for, or that method of making a ton of money online. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.